You're so big, Max.
Hi everyone, my name is Janine Jennings and I am Head of Education for the UK and Ireland for GHD. We have something really exciting to show you. This is the launch of GHD's biggest styler, the GHD Max. This is all about styling in half the time and works fantastic on long, thick or curly hair. Let's take a closer look at the tech. So now you've seen the tech, you can see how amazing Max is. We have a really special guest, Miss Rheanna Wood, who is part of the GHD family. And she's going to show you guys how to self-style on naturally textured hair. Then I will showcase how to do amazing waves on my own hair with extensions.
I'm so excited to be here today to use the GHD Max Styler. As a girl with naturally textured and curly hair, I love to be able to go back and forward between styles to wear my hair curly, to wear straight and to create glam looks. By using GHD Max Styler and its wider plates means that I can get through my hair in half the time. I love the styler because it's set at 185 degrees, which is the optimum temperature to style my hair, meaning the structure of my hair is going to stay intact, and when I wash my hair, my curls are going to bounce back. So now I'm going to show you how to create a straight, smooth look.
So I'm going to show you how to create gorgeous waves in the hair with the Max Styler. So my natural hair is quite short and I have a full head of human hair extensions. So it's important that I get through my hair in half the time. So with the Max Styler and the dual zone technology, it has 2 independent heaters and 2 sensors, which gives me a consistent heat of 185 degrees. So I can take larger sections and get through my hair faster. hope you're as excited about Max as we are. Make sure you subscribe to our GHD YouTube channel for more hair tutorials. Thanks so much for joining.
You're so big, Max.